Welcome. I'm Dr. Tom Warren, your host for The Plant Doctor. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to visit this channel. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a nervous newbie, I'm here to guide you through your plant parenting journey. What you will find here on our channel is all things plants, whether it's landscape or gardening. We go over asexual propagation of plants, how to grow plants from seeds, fertilizers, how to prune plants. We'll take nursery tours. All of the above is included in this channel. With easy to follow tips, expert tutorials, and friendly advice, I'm here to guide you every step of the way through anything lawn, landscape, or garden. Whether it's bringing your wilted plants back to life, growing a thriving indoor jungle, harvesting bountiful fruits and vegetables, come here to our channel to become confident in being a plant parent. I believe any person can become an expert landscaper or gardener, and I'm here to share my knowledge with you to help you achieve your landscaping and gardening goals. Join our vibrant community of gardeners, learn from others, ask questions, and share your successes with us here on the channel. Subscribe to The Plant Doctor and never miss a video. Hit the notification bell so you're always in the loop with our plants, tips, and tricks. Together we can grow your plants healthy and happy. If you scroll down, you'll see that our channel is divided into a series of playlists. Say, for example, you're interested in plant propagation. There's a playlist for that. What do I need to prune in February, March, April? We have a month-to-month landscape maintenance playlist. Anything that you can think of is here at this channel. And if you don't see something that you want, please message us and we'll start a playlist for that as well. So please hit the subscribe button and join us on this journey. Once again, I'm Dr. Tom Warren and you're watching The Plant Doctor.